So this is for the competitive bag exam preparation 2023. Okay, so let me start with the few questions first. That is, okay, okay, now you all can see this, right? So question number 1 is average the average of x successive natural number is n. So what is the average of x successive natural number is n. If the next natural number is included in the group, the average increases by what? That you all have to tell me, okay? So here what happens is the average of consecutive numbers is the middle number. If one more number is added to the list, the middle number moves 0.5 towards right. So the answer is 4. Okay. So the correct option is this. Okay. Okay. So the correct option is this. 1 upon 2 is the right answer. Okay. For this. Now moving towards the next part. Okay. So here what happens over here is question number 2, 84% of a particular total is 630 marks. What is 90% equals to? Now here options are being given to you all. Okay. So what is the first option is given to you all is 750, 675, 450, 550 or none of this. So here are the options. Okay. Now how you all are going to do this is by this. Let me do it. So the required answer is so what I have to do is I have to do 90 upon 84. I have to multiply this with 630 and then check what you all are going to get is the answer. What you all are going to get is 675. Okay. So the correct option is what? 675. Okay. Moving towards the next question, that is question number 3. Two numbers are greater than the third number by 25% and 20% respectively. What percent of first number is the second number? Option 1 is 92%, option 2 is 94%, option 3 is 94%, option 4 is 98%, or option 5 is none of this. Okay, now how you all are going to do this? Okay, apply. So what you'll have to do is 120. Where is it? Two numbers. Let me solve this for you all. So what you all have to do is you all have to assume. Okay, you all have to assume the third you all have to assume that the third number assume that the third number is 100. So first number will be the first number is 125 and the second number is 120 and second number is 120. Okay, so what I have to do is 120 upon So basically what is this? 120 upon 125 you all have to do. Then cancel the term. Okay. Like 120 upon 125 into 100 you all have to do. Okay. Sorry. Into 100. Into 100. And check the answer. Okay. So into 100 if I do, what I'm going to get is here 2 5 4s are 45. Okay, wait, sorry, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, then 5 5s are 5, then 5 1s are 5 4s are. Multiply this. 24 multiplied by 4 you all do and see what you all are going to get. 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 9, 96 is the correct answer. So basically what you all are going to get is 96%. Okay, so which option is correct? So option 96, that is option 3, is correct. Okay, because what you all are going to get is 96%. Okay, next, moving towards the next question, that is question number 4. Okay, here what is being asked here is the surface area of a cube is 726 square meter. Find the volume of the cube. So here what you all have to find is find the volume of cube. Okay, here options are given to you all. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 meters square, 1,341 meter, none of this, 1,431 meter square, or 1,331 meter cube. Your options are given for you all. Okay, so what is your S surface area? 726 meter square. What you need to find out is volume. Okay, so for cube formula is what? S is equal to, okay, let me do it here. S is equal to 6a the whole square. Now what is surface area? 726 is given to you all. Okay, is equal to what? 6a square. You all need to find out what is a square. So a square is equal to what? You all are going to get is 726 upon 6. Okay, so 726 upon 6 is how much? So what all are going to get? Cancel this and see. 121 is the answer. Okay, so basically what is a square? So we have found out a square to be 121. Okay, so what will be the value of a? A is 11. Okay, a is 11 meter. So what is volume? V is equal to a cube. So what I'll have to do is 11 cube. Okay, so what is that? 11 cube is nothing but 1331 meter cube. Okay, so what is the correct option? Option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, 1331 meter cube. Okay, 1331 meter cube is the correct answer. Moving towards the next question, that is question number 5. Okay, so if 6 men can lay 8 bricks in one day, then how many men are required to lay 60 bricks in the same time? So option 1 is 46 men, option 2 is 40 men, option 3 is 45 men, Option 4 is 60 men. Option 5 is 50 men are required. Okay. So this is something which we need to find out. Okay. So since the time is same, okay, so to do more work we need more person. Hence this problem is of direct proportion. This problem of direct proportion. Okay, this is of the problem of direct proportion. So what you'll have to do is, now you are going to solve this m1 upon m2. Okay, man 1. Okay, sorry, not like this. Man upon the B is what? Bricks. Okay, B1 is equal to M2 upon B2. So we need to find out what M2, right? So what we have to do is, so here your M1 is basically what? 6, right? M2 you have to find out. B1 is 8 and B2, this is number of bricks, right? 60. Okay. So this you all have to take it down, then I'll rub it. Okay. Now this implies what? This implies nothing but what is your M1? 6 multiplied by 60 upon 8. So what I have done over here is, I have 6 is your M1, okay, multiplied by 60. Okay, 60 is your B2. This term I will take it up over here, okay, and upon B1. B1 is nothing but 8. So what is going to happen over here is, 2 3s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 6 0, 2 1s are 2 15s are. So what you'll have to do is, you'll have to 15 multiplied by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3 4. So 45 is the answer. Okay. So how many men? 45 men, right? So which is the correct option? 45 men is the correct option. Okay. Now moving towards the next, that is question number 6. Question number 6 tells us that if 6 men can build a wall in 9 days, then 60 men can build a similar wall in dash days. Option 1 is 0.5 days, option 2 is 0.7 days, option C 3 is 0.9 days, option 4 is none of this, option 5 is 0.8 days. So we need to find out how many days. Okay, so basically let me solve this over here. Okay, so work is equal to men multiplied by days. Okay, so W is equal to 6 multiplied by 9 is equal to, so 6 into 9. So for 60 multiplied by D. So here what is been asked? So we need to find out the value of D. D is equal to what? 6 multiplied by 9 upon 60, which is nothing but 6 1s are 6 10s are, right? So this is nothing but 0.9 days. Okay, so which is the correct option? 0.9 days is the correct option. Okay, so moving towards the next question, that is question number 7. Okay, 10 years ago the ratio of ages of A and B is 3 into 4. Now it is 4 ratio 5. What is the present age of A? Now first is what? 30 years. Option 2 is 10 years, 20 years, none of this, and 40 years are given. Now which is the correct option, that you all need to tell me. Okay, so how you all are going to find this? 10 years ago, so what it tells us normally is 10 years ago, let there so 10 years ago, let the ages be 3k and 4k. So present present ages are what? 3k plus 10 and 4k plus 10. Okay, so the ratio is given as 4:k. So 3k plus 10 upon 4k plus 10 is equal to 4 upon 5. So after solving this, you will get k is equal to 10. Okay, next moving towards the next part, that is okay, continuation only. So percentage of a is what? 3k plus 10, which is equal to 40 years. Okay, so 40 years is the correct option. Okay, I hope you all have understood today's concept, and thanks for watching.